Regents exam, Algebra 1, August 2016, problem number 35. A drama club is selling tickets to the spring musical. The auditorium holds 200 people. Tickets cost $12 at the door and $8.50 if purchased in advance. The drama club has a goal of selling at least $1,000 worth of tickets to Saturday's show. Write a system of inequalities that can be used to model this scenario. If 50 tickets are sold in advance, what is the minimum number of tickets that must be sold at the door so that the club meets its goal? Justify your answer. In this problem, we need to write the system of linear inequalities that models the scenario. We also need to determine the minimum number of tickets that must be sold at the door if 50 tickets are sold in advance. Lastly, we need to justify our answer. In order to find the system of linear inequalities, we first need to determine our variables and use the facts given in the problem to set up an algebraic relation between the chosen variables and the quantities given. We know from the problem that the drama club is selling tickets and the auditorium can hold a maximum of 200 people. From this fact, we know that the total number of tickets sold has to be less than or equal to 200. We also know that there are two types of tickets, those that cost $12 and those that cost $8.50. So we can use two variables to represent the quantity of each ticket. In this case, the variable x will represent the $12 tickets, and the variable y will represent the $8.50 tickets. So the first relation can be written as x plus y is less than or equal to 200. The problem also states that the club's goal is to sell at least $1,000 worth of tickets. This means that the monetary value of the tickets sold should be greater than or equal to 1,000. To write an algebraic expression, we take the number of each type of ticket sold and multiply them with their respective cost. In this case, 12x plus 8.5y should be greater than or equal to 1,000. So this is the system of inequalities that models this scenario. Next, we need to determine the minimum number of tickets that must be sold at the door if 50 tickets were sold in advance. For this scenario, we are told that the number of tickets that cost $8.50 is equal to 50. This means that y is equal to 50. We now need to use this value along with the linear inequality that models the cost to determine the number of $12 tickets we need to meet the $1,000 fundraising goal. So we substitute the value of y with 50 and simplify the inequality. Next, we go ahead and solve for x by subtracting 425 from both sides of the inequality. Then, we divide both sides by 12. In the end, we obtain x is greater than or equal to 48 after rounding to the nearest whole number, since we cannot sell a fractional portion of a ticket. The total number of tickets is also well below the number of seats that the auditorium can accommodate. So the club has to sell 48 $12 tickets in order to meet their goal. So this is our final answer.